Hi there! So this video is all about the neural tissue histology that I require my anatomy students to know. This one's going to be quick because we don't get into too much at the very beginning. If you want a more detailed nervous system histology video, then feel free to click on the video that I utilize when I'm teaching my students about the entire nervous system. But when I'm teaching them just about histology, this is all I require them to know for the neural portion. So, very straightforward. We have some neural tissue here. One of the things that we actually have are a neuron, okay? So to me, a neuron looks like a blue booger. And maybe it's because I'm a mother, right? I call myself the little scientific mommy. And I see boogers and I deal with boogers all the time, unfortunately. But it looks like someone took a blue booger and they just kind of smeared it and wiped it across the slide. So it's going to take whatever shape it wants to take, and that is the neuron. Now you can see the very center of that would be the nucleus. Some of the projections would be like the axon, the dendrites. I don't have my students know the difference between them at this level. I just want them to be able to identify that this is a neuron and that this is the nucleus. Now, all of the purple dots surrounding are actually neuroglia. And neuroglia are supporting cells. So if something goes wrong in the nervous tissue, the neuroglia are the ones who are going to come and help to fix or repair things. Okay. Now, the next image that I have here is just another image of, again, a neuron. And look, different booger, different shape. So this large blue booger, again, is going to be that neuron. And this is the nucleus right here. And all of these blue dots surrounding are the neuroglia. And that's all I require my students to know for this. So hopefully you don't have to rewatch this video too many times. But again, this is just an introduction to neural tissue histology. And when we get into the actual nervous system, we'll go over things like the spinal cord, the epineurium and the different membranes that we have, the dorsal root ganglion, so things like that. But for this portion, if you know the neuron, you know the neuroglia, and you know the nucleus, you are good to go.